Hey guys, welcome to our plan de travail of May 25th. This week there's a lot of work, I guess, but you're getting there, okay? We're almost in June. So first thing what you receive on your grammar is a persuasive essay example. We talked about a lot about that in class. Okay? So here you've got a good example. Les chiffres indiquent les différentes parties du texte persuasif au bas de la page. So you'll find numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, and just a couple 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And at the bottom of the page, you've got the numbers and what they are. So number 1 is the hook. Number 2, your opinion. Number 3, 5, and 7 are the arguments. The number 4, 6, and 8 are the examples and details. And number 9 is the conclusion. So if you go look at the introduction, your number 1 is your hook. What would you take if you had to put your personal belonging in a crate and every time you turn around something of yours were stolen? So that's the hook that tells you what the subject's going to be about. Then the number 2 is the opinion. I think students should have lockers to protect their things. So your opinion is linked to the hook. Finally, if you continue, number 3 is your first arguments. And the number 4 are the examples and details that support the arguments. And so on. The following page, you've got a persuasive essay that has errors in it. And you have to answer the 3 questions. What did the writer forgot to include in the introduction? What the author's first arguments, how it could be improved? What's missing? And what's missing in the second arguments of the author? So that's the grammar. Then, what you need to do, you're going to have to write a persuasive essay. Choose one question and write a persuasive essay, including introduction and 2 paragraphs. So that's 3 paragraphs together. There's 1 introduction and 2 paragraphs. There's no conclusion. So if there's 2 paragraphs, that means there's 2 arguments. 1 in the first paragraph and 1 in the second body paragraph. You've got the 3 different subjects. You choose one subject, either A, B, or C. Make sure that your introduction includes a hook and a clear opinion. In your introduction, I need a hook and a clear opinion on the subject. Number 2, make sure that each paragraph, each body paragraph, begins with an argument supported by example and details. So after your introduction, you're going to have 1 argument, and then you're going to have details and examples, then change paragraph, a second argument with example and details. Write your persuasive essay on a Word document and send it back to me on my email address. So that's your first written exercise for the week of May 25th. Then, you're going to have a short story to read. So, you read the story. Then, there's a few questions that goes with it. Again, you do the reading comprehension, and you send me the answer on my email address. If you have any questions, you can either email me your questions, come on Teams on the recuperation, or maybe send me a messenger and I'll answer you in the following 24 hours. You guys have a nice week. Bye.